We have some great neighbours, including Pam and John. I was in their shed one day. They were getting rid of some stuff and I was sifting through it, saving what I could. A wooden chest caught my eye. Pam told me the story of the chest. It belonged to her grandfather, Leonard Hawkes. His initials were carved into the lid of the chest. He worked on the lightships off the Norfolk and Suffolk coast between 1926 to 1959. Pam thought that he may have made the chest from a wooden box that carried the distress flares. This would make sense as the lid mentions explosives. Pam wanted to use the box in the house, but it needed some repairs, so I offered to take the chest and repair it for her. So I asked my dad if he had any black paint I could use. Hey. And he's given me this stuff. Check it out though, he said. It may be a bit kind of, well, may have some thinners in it. That's more thinners than paint. So fence kind of paint it is.
That's gorgeous, isn't it? Isn't it clever? Wow. Yeah, that is lovely. Thank you.